Running a hotel isn't just about service, it's about insight. Welcome to the Power BI Hotel Management Dashboard by Global Data 365, your all-in-one platform for monitoring performance, guests, and operations in real time. Start at the front page, where smart navigation lets you effortlessly jump between revenue and financials, occupancy and rooms, guests overview, and operational performance. Whether you're analysing trends, boosting occupancy, or managing expenses, this dashboard puts powerful insights at your fingertips. Let's dive into the Revenue and Financial Performance Dashboard, your strategic control center for tracking profitability across your hotel operations. See how many rooms were booked, what revenue was generated per room, the average daily rate, your total operating cost, gross profit, and ultimately, net profit. Visualize monthly revenue versus net profit to detect seasonal patterns. Explore cost breakdowns by department to manage spending, and inspect detailed room-by-room statistics to refine your revenue strategy. Next, we enter the Occupancy and Room Performance Dashboard, a window into your room's performance and booking dynamics. Track total bookings, average stay length cancellations, and occupancy rates in one view. Understand which platforms drive bookings, why cancellations happen, and how your room booking and occupancy trends evolve across days and weeks. Use these insights to optimize availability and reduce wasted capacity. The Guest Overview dashboard provides deep insights into who your guests are and how they behave. View total guest numbers, split between local and international, and see how many are returning versus new guests, plus your overall satisfaction score. Evaluate gender and age breakdowns, track monthly guest trends, identify top countries of origin for international guests and key cities for local guests. These insights help you tailor services, marketing, and guest experience strategies. The Operational Performance Dashboard gives you control over hotel operations, resources, and service management. Monitor the size of your hotel team, their efficiency and workload. See how many service or maintenance tickets were logged and resolved, and what your maintenance cost is. Break down tickets by team and priority to spot bottlenecks. View monthly maintenance and dive into ticket-level details to improve responsiveness and staff allocation. The Hotel Management Dashboard transforms fragmented information into a unified, intelligent view of your business. From revenue growth to guest delight, every metric connects to your success story. Empower your decisions with real-time hotel insights. Visit globaldata365.com and experience how smart data can redefine hospitality.